Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today episode will be about the pumpkin, and I will make a very popular cake I call pumpkin roll, stuffed with cream cheese frosting. Perfect cake for Thanksgiving or anytime, and I hope you enjoy. For pumpkin roll I need pumpkin puree, 6 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 1.5 cup of flour, nutmeg, ginger, vanilla extract, baking soda, salt, cinnamon and lemon, and walnuts. For cream cheese frosting I need 2 Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 bar powdered sugar, lemon, and for decoration walnuts. For the pumpkin cake roll I need 6 eggs, 2 cups of sugar. I will mix this. Now I will beat eggs and sugar for a couple minutes. 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. For my pumpkin roll I use a fresh pumpkin. I bake in the oven and I make puree, so I use today fresh pumpkin, and half a cup of walnuts, baking soda 2 teaspoons, a little bit salt is about half a teaspoon, and lemon juice about 2 teaspoons. Flour will be 1.5 cup. Now we'll mix everything. I mix my ingredients for just 2 minutes. I don't wanna overmix. I have a very large baking pan and I line with the parchment paper. Now I will pour butter. Nice. And I will bake in oven 350 degrees. I keep my pumpkin roll in oven for 20 minutes, and looks like it's nice. The stick is dry, so it's ready. The cake is still warm, so I remove from my baking pan like this. And now next part, I'll roll this, because I try to keep the shape. So very slowly just roll the cake like this. Be gentle, don't remove the paper. Just roll very gently. Oh, beautiful large cake. And now we have to just let it stay and cool down. It looks like this. The next part, I'll make the cheese cream filling for my pumpkin roll. 2 cream cheese packages. I keep it in a warm temperature. 1 stick of butter. 4 ounces. A cream cheese is 8 ounces each, that means it's 16 ounces whole amount of cheese. Powdered sugar, about 2 cups, and vanilla, 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now I'll mix all my ingredients. The cake cool down. Now I have to unroll. the paper. Take like this, and I put in the fridge for a couple hours. Pumpkin roll is done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Please like, share and comment, and subscribe for more recipe. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego and happy Thanksgiving Day.